हेलो एवरीवन, हेलो हेलो हेलो। आई होप आप लोग अच्छे हो, क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो एंड लर्न कर रहे हो। चलो इस क्वेश्चन को करते हैं। फाइंड द चार्ज सप्लाइड बाय द सेल आफ्टर द स्विच इज क्लोज। सो द मोमेंट यू क्लोज द स्विच, इट इज गेटिंग आस्क्ड कि यहाँ से कितना चार्ज सप्लाई होगा। देयर इज सिंगल बैटरी इन द सर्किट, राइट? एंड देयर आर सो मेनी कैपेसिटर्स। सो somehow if we are able to calculate what is C equivalent of the circuit, Q को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं C equivalent into V, that is 6 volt, right? सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट। अब देखो यहाँ पे हमें सिंपली एस्टैब्लिश करना होगा कौन सा कैपेसिटर सीरीज पैरेलल एंड ऑल दोस केसेस। सो आप ध्यान से देखो, सबसे पहले इस पॉइंट को लो। लेट्स से दिस इज पॉइंट ए इन टर्म्स ऑफ पोटेंशियल। दिस विल बी पॉइंट ए, this will be point A, because whole in this along this line there is no electrical appliance, I mean no capacitor, no resistor, nothing. Potential will remain same throughout, क्योंकि potential drop कब होता है? When it encounters any electrical devices. कोई कोई चीज इनकाउंटर नहीं कर रहा, इसका मतलब वट एवर इज पोटेंशियल हियर विल स्टे हियर, विल स्टे हियर, देयर इज नो ड्रॉप हैपनिंग, राइट? सिमिलरली from here to here, potential will drop across 2 microfarad. So here and here potential will be different. Let's call it B. In terms of potential, this will be B, this will be B. So you can clearly see this 2 microfarad and this 2 microfarad are in parallel. And when capacitors are in parallel, we add them like in series. So this will become 4. अब देखो सर्किट को आप कर लो redraw. So it will look something like this. ठीक है? So it will look something like this. So इसको आप बना लो 4 microfarad and this is 1 microfarad, and this is how much? 2 microfarad, and this is 6 volt, right? So this is this. अब देखो, आप ध्यान से देखो, this 4 and 1 are in series. So 4 and 1 in series will become how much? So you will be doing in series, you will be adding them like in parallel, 4 into 1 by 5. So this is 4 by 5. And this 4 by 5, आप इसको rewrite कर लो, you will be easily getting the circuit. है ना? सर्किट काफी इजीली अंडरस्टैंडेबल होगा अब। सो दिस इज 2 माइक्रोफैराड एंड अक्रॉस इट, आई मीन अक्रॉस दिस, देयर इज this thing, right? This thing. And these two together are becoming what? 4 by 5. So this 4 by 5, you can draw it like this, right? So this is your 4 by 5 microfarad. They are in series. Sorry, they are in parallel now, right? So C equivalent आपको क्या मिलने वाला है? They are in parallel. Add them like in series. 4 by 5 plus 2. So this will become 14 by 5 microfarad. So circuit is like this, is this simple, right? 6 volt, and this is your how much? 14 by 5 microfarad. So what is going to be your Q? Q निकालना है ना हमें? हाँ, Q equal to C equivalent 14 by 5 into V, that is 6. So this is your 84 by 5 coulomb, right? So this is the answer. I hope you have understood this simple circuit. There was nothing much to do, but yeah, this is how we could have done it. I hope you have understood, but if you have any doubt anywhere, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.